How's it going, my MDVs, and welcome to a new day. Today is Thursday, the 12th of March, and it is raining like hell here in Egypt. The government stated like an emergency thing, and we took it's like a day off, and yeah, it's raining like hell right now. So they say it's going to rain for like 3 days straight. It had been raining for a day now. The good thing is university, we have a day off. Right now I'm kind of taking this time productivity to do it. I take it as productive as I can. So I'm going to edit like Dahab trip vlogs because I haven't been doing it. Still, I don't know, I decided to make a vlog. I know it's not gonna be interesting, but I wanna record this day, so you know, if we drown, then you have the evidence that we lived here or some shit. I mean, sounds weird, man. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Also, guys, there's a pigeon over there. If you can see it, I don't know. I think it's sick or something, cause like her balance or its balance is like off and it can't really walk, and I feel really bad. But there's no one in this house, and yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to save it, but I don't know how to reach it, cause yeah, so that sucks. So, quick update, it's still raining. Basically, like, I didn't explain at the beginning, I know, I'm sorry, but Egypt is going through like this. They say it's like a storm over type, but it began over the desert, so it's not really a storm. I'm not an expert in this field, so it's like yesterday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is like the peak of this thingy. And the thing about it is we never experienced something like this, you know, like all this. It has been raining like non-stop, so right now, and the streets are flooding, and you know, because like the infrastructure is not that great. Yeah, it's a thing. Yeah, basically everybody's like almost trapped in their houses because they can't go out because it's like raining and stuff. And I was going to edit the vlogs of going to Dahab. Okay, it's getting intense out there, but my friend talked to me, and then we're going to play. He told me we need to play, so we're going to play. So yeah, the camera's gonna run out of battery soon, so see you guys later. How's it going, my MDVs? The mic is working. Check. Today is the second day of the storm. It's looking a little bit better because yesterday it's like rained all night and thunder and rain and stuff. Today's Friday. I just got back from the prayer, and I'm sitting here with my little friend. Let me introduce you to Fathi. This is my bird. Before you start screaming, I'm not keeping him inside. But he's a bit feisty because he grew up and he really doesn't like to be held. But here's Fathi. Me focus on Fathi, please, camera. Yes, thank you. This is Fathi. He's I think he's a male. That's why I gave him a male name. But his nose is blue, so the way birds is. Let me adjust this real quick. Yeah, this is kind of better. The way is from their nose. If their nose is blue, focus please. Okay, Fathi, don't jump, please. Okay, go. Yeah, thank you. When their nose are blue, that means they're male. Yeah, so this is Fathi. Yeah, he's like almost like my little kid, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so today is mate. Come. Okay, he's fine. It's okay. He's safe. Don't worry. Okay, Fathi. Okay, come. Okay, we're gonna sit on his little home. Go. Okay. He's a bit feisty, growing up and teenager and stuff. Today I'm really, really, inshallah, going to edit the vlogs because I have some good stuff in store for you guys. I'm gonna upload this video first because I have nothing else to do, and until I edit the main vlogs, because I want it to be perfect, because there's like a lot of cutscenes and music and stuff, and I just want to make sure that I have the perfect stuff. So yeah, right now on my computer, I'm just gonna edit the vlogs. Edit this vlog. Today they say it's going to rain too, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. Yesterday the power went out, the water went out because of there was a lot of water, and the sewage system is not keeping up and stuff, because it's like the first time this happens. I don't know where this is going. I don't know if this is a vlog, if this is worth it, if this is a good content, but I'm sure it is. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just having fun, guys. The streets are a bit muddy, as you saw, and it's because there was like this construction stuff. They was making like, what do you call it, natural gas. Like the way here stuff here works, you have the big cylindric stuff that's filled with compressed gas, so you use it in the stoves and to make food, and like general to make fire from it. you get what I'm saying. Just like, so they recently got the pipes with the natural gas, so it's not, you don't have to replace the thing. It's just gonna be entered in the stove and everything is gonna be okay, I guess. So the constructions in the roads made it a bit muddy because they had to dig and stuff. So it's like we have a word for that. It's in Egyptian slang language called bazramit. It's like muddy as hell. Yeah, started to get a bit cloudy, but the sun is there. It's just like the sun is going up. There's sun, but the clouds are dark. That means it has a lot of water in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, me and Fatih, edit the vlog, and yeah, I'm really extending this. فك. لا لا، حاسب عندك هنا. هو في طوب هنا في الجنب. لا يا اسطى، تعالى بس، تعالى تعالى اسمع مني. تعالى، انا جاي من هنا الصبح. اوه فك. يا دين يا جدعان. هوب. اسف. لا تعالى من هنا، بس انا جاي من هنا الصبح يا اسطى. تعالى عشان هي الحته دي اللي سالكه يعني. اسمع مني، عندك في بحيره كبيره فشخ قدامي. تن تن. لا لا تعالى يا اسطى، تعالى. You can walk or the car walk. تحس انت فاهم. سبيشال ميشن يعني. تعالى من هنا. السلام عليكم. And this is how it is. Mission Impossible shit. يا ابني. Okay. I want to show you guys the road that I take to go to my friends. And yeah, this is it. Hey guys, so as you saw, I was just going out to meet some of my friends, and you saw the road. And I just wanna show the aftermath of my shoes. Check this out. Yeah, it's it. I almost fell once when I was walking, and yeah, it's ow. Oh, I just got a cramp. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know if you like this kind of pointless vlogs, because you know, I haven't been doing much lately, and you know, this is kind of the everyday life. If you guys enjoy that, I will make more, you know, just of my ordinary everyday life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and as always, my MDVs be ended with a peace fist. So, peace fist. Almost broke the camera. Yay.